Hey everyone, welcome and thank you for joining Wyatt and I for another video. So Wyatt is here, Zena is not. It is early Sunday morning. It is raining outside, but I decided to come outside anyway. So hopefully it is not too noisy for you. But my quarterly FabFitFun box came and I can't wait to dig into it. FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription lifestyle box for $49 a season, and it is always filled with so many fun goodies. This one says on the front of the box here that is in support of Global Gift Foundation's Girls in Action Alliance with the Eva Longoria Foundation. So I'm wondering what goodies are in store for us. So right in the box, as soon as you open it, first of all, I'm loving these palm leaves. I love anything with palm leaves. There's always a book. This one is featuring Eva Longoria, and it always covers all of the items in the box. So let's dig in. Oh, they even have a little palm leaf sticker on here that says share to win at FabFitFun. Look at the little palm leaf sticker. That's so cute. This box is fairly heavy. So first thing I see is jewelry. It says Jennifer Zuner Jewelry. This cute little pouch. If I can find it quickly. Oh, it's right here on page 4. It tells you what's inside your box, which is always nice in case I need a little bit more information. So let's see what this is. Oh, this is a necklace. So this looks like a little star necklace. So before I take it out, here's what I see. Trying to get it out of the box, out of this holder. So I can show you. So this is very pretty. I'm going to take it the whole way out of the bag. Let me see. I can. If it doesn't take me too long. Let's do it. There we go. I did it. You just have to know what to do. Oh, so this is very pretty. This is a double chain with the little stars. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's very pretty. I'll put it on for you. Hopefully I can get it on quickly. I feel like I'm getting a slow start for my video. So there it is. Very pretty. The length is really nice. You could wear it with almost anything. The little stars are very pretty, and it says the Jennifer Zuner Star Double Necklace, Star Light, Star Bright. There are 1,000,001 ways to style a dainty, timeless necklace like this one, and the retail value is $50. So that's pretty. I like that. Okay, let's keep going. There's so many goodies in here. Next, Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. And this does look like a full size, 0.5 ounce. So this is for dry or damaged skin, lip, and nails to aid in healing. And this is Burn 60 resistant bands. Take your workouts new. Oh no, sorry, I'm reading the wrong thing. Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm, multitasking at its finest. The all-natural balm soothes and heals dry or damaged skin. Use it to relieve burns, scrapes, post-procedure skin, and more. And the retail value is $30. Very cool. Alright, so then I started to read something. Fans. Where are those? I don't know. What is that? There's so much stuff in here. So much stuff. Okay. I guess I'll get to that. What is this? Generation Clay. Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Very cool. So this is... What is it? Packed with Davidson Plum, the purple mask works to rejuvenate, dull skin, and boost hydration. $39 is the retail value of this. That's cool. So it's supposed to refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture. And you just leave it on for 10 minutes. Alright. A box. Check out the size of this box. This looks like indigo. It says indigo. It's a set of 3 indigo tie-dye bowls. Can't wait to see what these look like. Ooh, pretty. Pretty. Check this out. Aren't these pretty? That is so pretty. And they're all different tie-dyes. Very pretty. And I love the different sizes. That's 1. 2. How pretty is that? And this is the biggest one. So pretty. I love that. Okay. I'm going to keep going. Next up, another big box. This is the Sutra Beauty Blow Dryer. Oh, I should tell you how much the bowls are before I keep moving here. So the bowls, the West Elm Indigo tie-dye bowls, are a retail value of $39. Next up is the Sutra Beauty Marble Blow Dryer travel size. And this was one that you got to pick. So a lot of times they'll tell you that you have choices to make, so you can pick between other items. And I did pick this little travel size blow dryer as one of my options. You do get all kinds of extra pieces for it based on how you want to blow your hair dry, right? Look how pretty that is. So it has the attachments, the diffuser. Look how tiny that is. It's light too. So cute. And the hair dryer is, does it say here? Yes. Retail value of $60. So it says this is small but mighty. This travel-friendly blow dryer delivers even heat distribution and uses gentle ceramic technology to smooth the cuticles and seal in moisture and shine. This is adorable. Considering how much I travel, I love this. Okay. And then we're going to get everything back in. Next up, Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. And this comes already in plastic. Spray, mist 4 to 5 sprays on the face, with your eyes closed, of course, before or after makeup. So this says, craving a midday refresher, just a spritz of the rose-infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face. It's $25.95 is the retail value of this. This is a big bottle. So it's over 8 full ounces. Alright, there's still more. Next is an exfoliating foot mask. Exfoliate papain and willow bark extract, polish, pumpkin seed extract, orange fruit extract, and lemon fruit extract, and soothe and smooth, bromelain, black tea, leaf extract. This is what the box looks like, so you guys can see that. And this is 2.5 ounces. And what do they say about it? It is $32 is the retail value. And it says, get your feet sandal ready. Natural ingredients like willow bark extract and pumpkin seed exfoliate and polish for your softest feet ever. Alrighty then. Something I know I need. Alright. And then I got Invisibobble, the traceless hair rings. You always need hair ties, right? Especially in the summer. So there's 6 of them in here, in a nude color and in a clear color. I always need these. And the retail value of those, $16. And the last item. What is this? African Botanics. This is a mystery choice, it says. Botanical hand cream. Marula Botanical hand cream. And let's see what the retail value of that is. If I can find it. I did so well with everything else. Oh, here it is, mystery item. So it says, what could it be? A palette, sugar ball, or maybe a primer. We have a good mystery, and we promise that it's a good one. So it says the retail value is $24 or more. So it doesn't get into specifics. And you don't necessarily get everything in your box, right? So there's some items that other people will get that you won't, like this kimono or the bag I didn't get. So it could vary based on everyone's box and your preferences, because you do fill out a profile, the things that you like. Like I said, the dryer was one that I picked specifically based on the items that I got to choose from. So this was a good box for $49. I got all this stuff. This was a good box. So fun. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I will put my link down below, because if you use my link, you will get a discount. I think it's $10 or $15 off your first box if you want to give this seasonal lifestyle subscription box a try. So thanks for spending time with Wyatt and I. Wyatt's still here. He's prowling around. He's all wet, so he must have gone out into the rain. Did you go out in the rain? He must have. Zena's still sleeping this Sunday morning. I hope your week gets off to an awesome start. I would love it if you would hang out with us for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.